Hi guys, a friend had a situation. A cold car would not start well. There were interruptions. That only he was not replaced. Same sensor, cleaned damper, nozzles. Friends, but before starting the video, subscribe to our channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel. And the problem turned out to be as follows. Did not keep the pressure in the fuel rail, the fuel pressure regulator. When it fails, the pressure in the fuel rail decreases. And from this, while the fuel pump forms pressure in the rail, it takes time to start the engine. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.